Hello everyone. Recently some netizens asked the problem that the 6 Plus screen display white bar and touch failure. This video we will introduce how to solve it. Look at the phone. After startup, the touch fails, and it is accompanied by this flashing white bar. In fact, this is a common problem of 6 Plus. The core of the problem is caused by the touch IC on the motherboard. Now, we blow down the touch IC with a heat gun, and when we remove the IC, we can see the land. This point is the key to the failure of the touch. This point connects the touch IC and the CPU, and the connection of this point is unstable, which will lead to unstable signals between the CPU and the touch IC, resulting in white bar and touch failure. Next, we go along the point extension to find the line, scrape the surface line, and connect a copper wire to fix the point. Now let's put the touch IC back in and reinstall it to test. Look, the white bar disappeared and the touch was restored. If you have other operation or maintenance problems, welcome to leave us a message. Please follow us. More wonderful videos are waiting for you to unlock.